In this video I am going to show you how can you send file through your messenger. So for sending file through your messenger you have to go simply in your Google Chrome. After come here Google Chrome, you have to search for drop and dropden.com. You can see here dropden.com. You have to simply search on it. After searching it, you have to click here, simply drop your file here, and then you will click here media, and from here you have to choose your document. After that you have to choose which file you want to simply send. I want to send this file. Let's take this file, and then you have to click here upload. You can see here upload option. You have to simply click here upload. After clicking here upload, this file will be upload, and from here you have to click here copy link. You have to simply copy link, and you have to go your messenger. You can see here messenger, and after coming here messenger you have to simply send this drop-down link to your uh, friend or family member whom you want to send the file. So that's how when he click on the link he will got the file. So that's how you can send file through your messenger. Thank you so much.